How to make a dig box for your bearded dragon. Bearded dragons need a space to explore and express their natural behaviors beyond just eating and basking under the light. Let's dive into creating the perfect dig box. When preparing a dig box, gather materials like a suitable container, substrate, playzen or coconut coir, and decorative elements. Choose a container that's spacious yet accessible for your dragon. For adults, aim for at least 2 feet wide and 1 foot deep. Opt for reptile carpet, tiles, or slate. Avoid loose substrates to prevent health issues. Mix in river rocks for texture. Enhance the habitat with branches, rocks, and non-toxic plants for your dragon to explore. Clean the container thoroughly, line it with suitable substrate, and add decorative elements for a cozy environment. Place your dragon in the box, encouraging exploration with buried treats or toys. Allow them alone time to enjoy the space. Regularly clean feces and uneaten food, replace the substrate weekly, and mist lightly every few days. Monitor your dragon's behavior for signs of stress. Maintaining the dig box is crucial for your dragon's health and happiness. Regular cleaning, optimal temperature, and providing enrichment items ensure a safe and enjoyable space. Read more information by going to the link in the description.